Every single second, your heart is working. It beats over 100,000 times a day, pumping blood through thousands of kilometers of blood vessels, delivering oxygen, nutrients, and life itself to every cell in your body. But how does this system actually work? How does blood know where to go? And how does the heart pump without stopping? Today, inside Vital Codes, we're diving deep into the circulatory system, blood flow, and heart function, explained simply and visually. What is the circulatory system? The circulatory system is one of the most essential life support systems of the human body. Its main job is transportation, but not just of blood. It delivers oxygen from the lungs to the tissues, nutrients from digested food to cells, and hormones from glands to their target organs. At the same time, it removes carbon dioxide, metabolic waste, toxins. It also helps regulate body temperature, fluid balance, immune response. Without circulation, cells begin to die within minutes, especially brain cells. That's why the circulatory system is directly linked to survival. This system has three major components. 1. The heart, the pump. 2. Blood, the transport medium. 3. Blood vessels, the pathways. Let's begin with the heart, the center of this entire system. Chapter 1. The heart, the body's living pump. The heart is a hollow, muscular organ located in the chest, between the lungs, slightly tilted toward the left side. It is approximately the size of a closed fist, yet powerful enough to pump blood throughout the entire body. What makes the heart special is its muscle, cardiac muscle. Unlike skeletal muscles, cardiac muscle works involuntarily, contracts rhythmically, never rests throughout life. Even during sleep, the heart continues pumping to maintain circulation, protection, and support. The heart is enclosed in a double-layered protective sac called the pericardium. This sac prevents friction, protects the heart from infection, allows smooth movement during contractions. The heart is also supplied by its own blood vessels called coronary arteries, because even the heart muscle needs oxygen to survive. Chapter 2. Structure of the heart. The heart is divided internally into 4 chambers, each with a specific function. Atria, receiving chambers. The 2 upper chambers are right atrium, left atrium. Their role is to receive blood returning to the heart. The atria have thinner walls because they do not pump blood forcefully. They simply pass it to the ventricles, pumping chambers. The 2 lower chambers are right ventricle, left ventricle. These chambers pump blood out of the heart. The left ventricle has the thickest muscular wall because it must generate enough pressure to send blood to the entire body, including the brain and lower limbs. Chapter 3. Heart valves, one-way gates. To ensure that blood flows in only one direction, the heart contains 4 valves. These valves act like doors, opening and closing with each heartbeat. Tricuspid valve, located between the right atrium and right ventricle. It prevents blood from flowing backward into the atrium. Pulmonary valve controls blood flow from the right ventricle into the pulmonary artery. Mitral bicuspid, valve located between the left atrium and left ventricle. This valve is especially important and commonly affected in heart diseases. Aortic valve controls blood flow from the left ventricle into the aorta. The familiar lub-dub sound of the heartbeat is caused by the closing of these valves, ensuring efficient circulation. Chapter 4. Pathway of blood flow. Blood circulation follows a precise and organized pathway from the body to the heart. Deoxygenated blood, rich in carbon dioxide, returns from body tissues through 2 large veins, superior vena cava, inferior vena cava. This blood enters the right atrium. From right atrium to right ventricle, blood flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. Pulmonary circulation to the lungs. The right ventricle pumps blood into the pulmonary artery, carrying it to the lungs. This is unique because the pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood, unlike other arteries. Gas exchange in the lungs. In the lungs, blood passes through capillaries surrounding tiny air sacs called alveoli. Here, carbon dioxide is released. Oxygen enters the blood. Back to the heart. Oxygen-rich blood returns to the heart via pulmonary veins and enters the left atrium. Blood moves into the left ventricle, which pumps it into the aorta. From here, blood is distributed to all organs and tissues, supplying oxygen and nutrients. Chapter 5. Blood vessels, the transport network. Blood vessels form a vast network across the body. Arteries carry blood away from the heart, have thick, elastic walls, withstand high pressure. Veins carry blood back to the heart, contain valves to prevent backflow, work with muscle contractions to move blood upward. Capillaries, extremely thin vessels, 1 cell thick, allow exchange of gases, nutrients, and wastes. Capillaries are where blood truly serves the cells. Chapter 6. Blood, the transport medium. Blood is not just a liquid, it is a living tissue. Red blood cells, they contain hemoglobin, which binds oxygen and delivers it to tissues. White blood cells, they protect the body against infections and foreign invaders. Platelets, they help stop bleeding by forming clots. Plasma, the liquid portion that carries nutrients, hormones, and waste products. Chapter 7. Heartbeat and cardiac cycle. Each heartbeat follows a cycle called the cardiac cycle. Systole, the heart contracts and pumps blood out. Diastole, the heart relaxes and fills with blood. The heart has its own electrical system. SA node initiates the heartbeat. AV node regulates timing. Electrical signals ensure coordinated contraction. Chapter 8. Importance of a healthy circulatory system. A healthy circulatory system ensures continuous oxygen supply, stable blood pressure. Poor lifestyle choices can damage this system, leading to heart disease, stroke, hypertension. Prevention depends on balanced diet, regular physical activity, stress management. Your heart will beat about 3 billion times in your lifetime. It works silently, faithfully, without rest. Understanding the circulatory system means understanding how life flows within you. This is Vital Codes, decoding the science that keeps you alive. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit the like button. It really motivates us to keep creating more educational content for you. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Vital Code for more detailed breakdowns on human anatomy, fitness, health, and performance.